Hi there everybody. On this video I have this Toyota Aygo 2005 and I'm just going to check the condition of the air filter and also going to have a look where we top up the screen wash fluid, and in this particular one, for the air filter we need to open this little box here, and we got some clips. I've already undone open this clip and that one there, so you just have to pop them open basically, and then this is plugged in here. Just have to pull that off, and this will also come off this hose here, and we need to remove it from the throttle body at the back as well. And with that off, you turn this round. This is where the filter is. This filter is a little bit dirty. I haven't got a new one at the moment, but it's a Blueprint ADJ32260 6112 2AAA. So once you remove that, you get your new one. You can just go ahead and fit that in there. There are two openings here. There's that one there, and that bit there. It's like a little carving on the side, and that will fit in here, and this bit here. So just have to put it the correct way. So you wouldn't be able to put it this way. Well, you would be, but you'll be forcing it in, but this will be the right way around. So with this bit here on the right hand side, and to refit this cover you just need to make sure it goes into the throttle body, the back there, and also into this hose. And it will also plug in here, and then we just close the clips, and that's it. Now the screen wash fluid will go in this container here. I haven't got any at hand at the minute, but this is where we would top it up. So hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.